Welcome back. Now, if you are creating your channel primarily to do your live streams, one thing that you can do is you can do a channel trailer, and that will introduce people to what you're going to be talking about, will introduce people to the content that they're going to see both live and recorded if they subscribe. And the way you get to the channel trailer is going to be when you come to the front page of your channel, you're going to notice two sides. YouTube is going to show you what people are going to see if they are a returning subscriber. They're also going to show you what people are going to see if they are new visitors to your channel page. And you're going to click that link. When you get there, what you're going to notice is that there's a button here for a channel trailer. And basically, this is going to be a video. Now, it doesn't have to be a live video. It's going to be a video that you're going to record, and you're going to tell people what they are about to see on your channel. And once you have that content ready, all you'll need to do is to come to this button, you'll click, and then you'll be asked to grab a video that is already on your channel. That means then when you upload the video, you're going to need to decide whether or not the video is going to be unlisted. You're going to need to decide whether or not the video is going to be public. That means then that when you upload the video, you need to decide if it's going to be a public video or if it's going to be unlisted. You only want it to be seen on your channel trailer. And once you have your video in place, your channel trailer is then ready. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.